Guys, I just finished decorating this face shield. What's going on, guys? ProjectJohnRey here, and welcome back to my channel. So, for today's project, I will show you on how to make a quick project or craft about face mask and face shield. So, we will going to make something like extravagant, fashionable face mask and face shield. Oh. I know that you are going to agree with me on this. Like, we need to show fashion even though we are covering our face and only our eyes is visible, right? So on the next clip, I'm going to show you on how, no, not on how, on what are the materials that we will be needing in order for us to make a decorative and fashionable face mask and face shield.
Oh, come on.
But before we get started, if you're just new to my YouTube channel and you love arts and crafts and some sort of, please consider subscribe and do not forget to ring a notification bell for yourself to get updated on my next project. So without any further ado, let's get started. So you'll be needing face mask as well as the face shield. Gems like this, or if you don't have any kind of gems like this, you can use sticker gems. Some random leaves or flowers, which is artificials. And if you want to make your face mask more extravagant, you can actually use feathers. And lastly, you'll be needing to have, it's either or. It's either the hot glue gun or this fabric glue. Please excuse my water, my hot glue gun. I'm so sorry. I'm actually using it for a while. For today's project, guys, please do allow me to use my computer table for a meanwhile, because I don't actually have choice. The other table is used by my family member. So anyway, let's get started. I'm going to start by this face mask first, and I'm going to attach first these huge gems using this fabric glue. Now I will going to attach this oval shaped gem, which is medium size. And this time I'm going to use this smallest gem that I have, and I'm not gonna fill this face mask all throughout this bottom because I want these gems to look like it's faded. So I'm okay now with this design, and allow it to dry first. And while waiting for it to dry, let's move on and start working for our face shield. Let's begin designing this face shield using these feathers. So what I'm going to do is to attach these feathers here from the bottom first, all throughout the sides, using this hot glue gun. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to attach these artificial flowers and leaves randomly wherever you want. Now, in order for this face mask to be connected with our in order for this face shield connected with our face mask, I'm going to put this face shield, this gems as well. Guys, I just finished decorating this face shield. So as you can see, there is a lot of glue gun all over the face shield here. So what I'm going to advise to you is you actually need to have a better deal with your glue gun, because I don't actually have any kind of good deal with this kind of glue. And you're done. That's it for today's project, guys. I hope you loved the video, and I know that you've noticed that my table is kind of messy, all over the place. But it's okay, because if you're doing crafts in the arts, there's gonna be a lot of mess, and it's okay. You just need to think on how to deal with this, or with those rather. Anyway, have fun doing your own project. Follow me on Instagram, add me on Facebook. Let's talk about arts and crafts, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.